In this video, I will show you how to turn on anti-ad blocker in your Blogger website. So let me show you my website. As you can see, there's blocked 4 ads here. If I allow it, you can see it will show ads. So in this video, I will show you how to prevent users from accessing this website if they have used any ad blocker in their browser. Go to your Blogger website. Blogger. It's a very simple step. Only 2 steps we have to do. Go to make sure you take backup of your theme if anything went wrong, so you can take here backup. Click on edit HTML. Click on here anywhere, then press Ctrl F and search for closing head tag. Press enter. You can see here the closing head tag. You have to paste this code. I will provide this code in description. Copy this and paste here before the closing head tag. Now click on save. If everything is good, then it will accept the changes. You can see update successful. Next step is you have to search for another tag, that is closing body tag. You can see here the closing body tag, and you have to paste this step to this script. Copy this and paste before the closing head tag. Now click on save. Just show me update successful. Now let us try opening the website using ad blocker. Okay, so here you can see it has blocked the website, and we can't exit this pop here until the user turn off anti ad blocker. So this was quite simple. Please like this video and subscribe the channel.